Good morning, you're joining me as I go about my business day. So first of all, we've got a meeting at a venue because I'm looking to maybe do a big shoot there, which I will take you on a later video. And then we have a massive shoot happening for a fashion brand. It's a knitwear brand and the items arrived yesterday. It's a bit like, oh, but they are stunning. I'll put all the links below for everybody involved today. So come along, everything's packed, I did prep. I need to change over a paper roll at the studio because I think, although the weather looks great now, we do have a forecast for high winds and possibly rain, so I need to make sure I've got the studio set up for that, but it's okay, cool. And you might recognize the model because I've used it quite a few times. It's Luna, and I should really create a Luna playlist. If you want me to create a Luna playlist, let me know in the comments below, but let's go. So my first meeting of the day was actually at a local museum to me. It's in this country house in a country parkland, I guess. It's really nice. I had a meeting with some bigwigs there for a forthcoming shoot. It's really pretty, the light is just stunning, and there's this cute little church there, although I'm not shooting there. Inside you can see just how beautiful this building is, and this doesn't even do it justice. So yeah, you'll expect to see more from me soon on that. So here I am at the studio, just setting up ready. The garments have arrived. This is the brand name. All handmade, they are stunning. I love the colours, and there's such movement in them, and I honestly wait to see these guys on, they're going to be incredible. Bringing out the bright yellow. It's very yellow. I love it quite a lot. When you shoot, that texture does disappear. You've got to be careful when your light falls on it, because obviously if your light falls against it, it's going to pop all that texture out. But yeah, Luna obviously is packed very lightly for today.
Standard.
One of very many bags. So yeah, we've got great palette. That's why we choose this model. Apart from the fact she's amazing. Although happily sits on the floor when there's various places for her to do, but she sits on the floor. She always knows how to bring the colours, so we're good. Obviously we have to work through all the outfits, but this was the first one styled by Luna, and I supplied those flare pants. They were not the best, but they photographed really well, so she's moved brilliantly. Did some outside before moving in to get studio shots on this beautiful yellow background. So here's Luna being amazing and doing herself all sides of glam, the glamorous side.
Cover up this shite with a cardigan.
The jumpsuit actually styled really well, but we then changed it over anyway for the acid lime pants that you've got here that she's wearing. Really love how Luna puts clothes together. We worked together, but mostly this was Luna, so well done her. Look, this is the best. I mean, she literally styles herself. I mean, everyone should have a Luna in their life. No, actually you can't, because she's special, so you can't have a Luna. I have only a Luna.
Exactly.
There's Luna just casually drinking coffee from the shop, which got my face on it. Yeah, oh, I should actually just say, fuck my face. This was designed designed by Luna. Look at this, look at this. So hit her up. Not only is she a model, stylist, photographer, creative all round in every possible sense, and musician, singer, graphic designer, but also textile designer. I mean, other than like curing cancer, do you have any else you don't do? Because I can't imagine there is.
I don't really do ironing.
No one does ironing, babe. People just pretend.
And a little bit of stop animation, I guess, using some frames that we took. The final outfit, using my roller boots, my Glastonbury. The roller boots are actually toe caps, were custom made.
So I'm just making Luna a hot water bottle to take back with her. She really worked hard today and she did amazing. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a bit different, lots of colour, serotonin, dopamine vibes. Go check out all the links for everyone in the comments below, in the description below. As ever, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button. I'll see you all real soon. Thank you so much for your support. You've been freaking amazing.